Hello, 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 hello. Can you guys hear me? Um, Hello guys, welcome to another Debound session. How are you guys doing? Hello Rajesh, hello Manya, hello Rachna, hello Sandeep, hello Prachi, hello Satender. Hello Kritigya. Kritigya is still using her chat box. That's nice. Hi Mannat, how are you? Sweta, Harman, how are you guys doing? क्या हाल चाल है? लवन्या, कार्तिक, Anmol, Vinayak, welcome. Today I see, a better result, better response in terms of the number of students. That's nice. Where is your cup of juice? I mean, it's right here, man. It's right here. Hi, I can't join recent stream due to some personal issue. It's all good, Nalin. Okay. Hello guys, hello. All right. So guys, कल papers किस के हैं? Do you guys have any exams going on? When's your last working day? छुट्टियाँ कब से हो रही है? Do you guys know कि या फिर हो गई है schools की? Hello एकता जैन. I'm good. अच्छा अभी ओके 20 seconds से स्टार्ट हो रही है. ओके एग्जाम्स ओवर. ऑल राइट. So that's pretty nice, man. So holiday time start हो गए. So guys, do you guys want more debound sessions, or do you guys just want on Saturday and Sundays? Because you'll be at home, right? Anmol is saying I have an exam tomorrow. Okay, all the best, Anmol. Everybody is saying yes for all the classes. I mean, Arsh, you should just look at it, man. It's amazing. Okay. Yes, so we will try to bring more sessions for you all. It'll be very interesting. Let's see. All right. So guys, yesterday, do you guys remember what we did? We entered the world of fractions and decimals. We just gave a quick introduction of what a proper and an improper fraction is, right? We did that. Then we also learned about security, right? Like which thing should we tell our in which circle, and like क्या सारे secrets आपको बताने चाहिए सबको. We talked about that. Fighting hackers, exactly, Mannat. Okay, so yes, today we are going to be continuing that, right? To all the students who did not join yesterday's class, it's fine. We are going to be giving you a quick walk through what happened in yesterday's class. Rashna is saying, sir, goodies. You said starting of the meeting. Yes, Rashna, that is gonna happen. Don't worry. Yes, goodies आज distribute होंगे. आज names announce हो जाएंगे, guys. ठीक है? We are gonna be announcing the names of the winners. Who all have won, and after that we are gonna be sending them some goodies straight to their home. So yes, we will contact you. All right. So we are going to be doing that. Between your voices good. अच्छा मेरी voice जा रही है क्या बार? I don't know. I think something is wrong with my mic. Your name was Vaibhav, I guess. Okay. So by the end of this class, we are going to be distributing some goodies. Don't worry about that. Okay. All right. So I think it's time. I think we should jump into what we did, in the last class. Let me just refresh my slides. Just give me a second. All right. All right, let's go. Okay. Just give me a second, guys. All right, so sorry. All right. So guys, yesterday we talked about fractions, right? Fractions we jumped into and we talked about what is a fraction. If you guys remember, let's just see how many of you actually remember. So we talked about fractions. We also talked about a huge ethical hacking, understanding security. That's what we introduced. We talked about the importance of security in last class, right? So today we'll be talking about ethical hacking for some time. It's going to be very interesting for you all. So yes, so let's just begin with the show. All right, we have about 22 students watching the live stream. Before we start, just quickly, if you can like the stream, that'll be very much appreciated. Thanks a lot. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. Okay, let me pause the music up. And here we go. So yes, guys, today we are going to be jumping into, we are going to be following fractions and decimals. We are going to be talking about the multiplication and, simplification methods. And then we'll be talking about ethical hacking and understanding security, the importance of it and everything. So here we go. So this is Debound Studios. Welcome. I'm your host Abhinandan, and this is your episode 11, Fractions, Decimals and Fighting Hackers Part 2. So let's go. So what fractions, right? Fractions, this we talked about, like not everything is complete. This is just a quick recap on what we did in last class. So fractions, right? Not everything is complete, right? Some things are partial, that is gonna be it. So those are termed as fractions, right? We looked at the example of this chocolate, right? When we were supposed to divide this chocolate between me and Arsh. Arsh was also present in yesterday's class, right? So yes, we divided this chocolate up into not 50%. This is a part of chocolate which we have divided, right? Just bring that pen up. Yes, so how much part do we have? So we need to first calculate, how many pieces of chocolate, like does this chocolate contain? So what are the number of pieces? So we talked about any average student will start counting, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's going to take him a long time to count all the pieces, right? What's the smarter way and a quicker way to do that? We look at how many number of columns we have and what are the number of rows we have, and then we simply multiply them. So we have 7 columns and 4 rows, we multiply them and the answer comes out to be 28 pieces. So total number of pieces are 28, right? If we were to pick out this particular piece is 1 out of 28. Wait, my slides are not working. Yeah, okay, fine. So yes, right, so this is 1 out of 28 pieces that you can see, right? So इसमें से अगर हम 2 pieces select कर लेते, then it would have been 2 out of 28, right? That is 1 out of 28. How will we write it in fractions? We are going to be writing it like this: 1 divided by 28. That is the way we write fractions, right? Now the top part is called the numerator and the niche wala part is called as the denominator. We all know that. Numerator represents the number of parts and the denominator represents the total number of parts, right? Okay, so we divided this up, we counted them up. So I had 16 pieces of chocolate out of 28 and Arsh got 12 pieces out of 28. right, in yesterday's class. So that's how we divide the chocolate up, but we were supposed to divide it equally, right? I mean, he's my friend, so we need to divide it equally. So let's talk about the numerator and the denominator once. Numerator will obviously tell you how many parts, right, are there, and denominator is going to talk about the total number of parts, right? If the whole is 40, so denominator 40 hoga. Okay, so yes, so 16 and I got 16 pieces. Arsh got 12 pieces. How many extra pieces do I have, guys? That is a question that I'm asking you right now. Right, so how much does extra chocolate did I get? This is the question which we asked. So we are going to subtract this quickly, right? 16 divided by 28 minus 12 by 28, right? So that is going to give us 4 out of 28 pieces I had extra. I had 4 extra pieces than Arsh, right? And we were to divide this into 2 equal parts. So how do we do that? अगर मेरे पास 4 extra pieces हैं, उसका half क्या होगा? What is half of 4? It is 2, right? So these were the 4 pieces which were extra. Then we are gonna give him 2 of them, right? So now that I have given him 2 pieces out of mine, my chocolate, you can see 16 out of 28 minus 2 out of 28. मेरे में subtraction हुआ है, guys. Please focus on the attention, on the details. So I had 16, right? So I had to subtract 2, and he obviously gained 2. So उसके case में addition होगी, मेरे case में subtraction होगी, right? Now it's equal. Now it's 14 by 28, 14 by 28, right? So yes, these were the 2 extra pieces that I gave to Arsh, and now this is also an example of a proper fraction. We also call this as a proper fraction. Guys, do we know what a proper fraction is? A proper fraction is where the number of parts, the numerator is less than the denominator. अगर numerator denominator से छोटा होगा, then we'll say that it is a proper fraction. Another example of a proper fraction could be 16 by 20, 4 by 8. Anything numerator छोटा होना चाहिए denominator से, it will be considered as a proper fraction. All right. So yes, this is the statement. The numerator should be less than the denominator. Okay. So that is known as a proper fraction. Okay, on to the next. What is an improper fraction? Improper fraction के बारे में we have also studied, right, in the previous class. Improper fraction means that total number of parts are more than the total. Logically ये वाली चीज हो ही नहीं सकती. अगर आपके पास 100 रुपए हैं तो आप 200 रुपए की चीज नहीं खरीद सकते, right? It is improper. You don't have the funds. How will you buy it? Right? So इस केस में, improper fractions के केस में, the numerator is always bigger than the denominator. ठीक है? The number of parts are more than the total, so that will be called as an improper fraction. हमारे पास total ये 28 pieces हैं अगर, तो उसमें से 30 pieces आप कैसे ले सकते हो? Possible ही नहीं है. So improper fraction की statement simple है. Numerator जो है इस केस में बड़ा होगा and denominator will be smaller, right? And proper fraction में numerator is smaller than the denominator, right? Now that we talked about improper fractions, we need to talk about how can we convert any improper fraction. So to convert any improper fraction, there's a simple formula. Not a formula, but a simple thing to do. So this is the question, right? 30 out of 28, we do know that this is an improper fraction. 1 complete chocolate plus 2 extra pieces, right? Guys, 28 total pieces हैं, right? So that is 1 complete chocolate, and then हमें total कितने pieces चाहिए? 30, right? हमारे पास 2 extra नहीं है, so 2 हम extra को अलग से लिखेंगे. So how will we write it? We will write it like this. So 1 complete chocolate plus 2 divided by 28, because 28 total pieces थे, and उसमें से हम 2 piece कह रहे हैं और चाहिए हमें, right? So we will write it like this: 2 by 28. So this is also known as a mixed fraction. Okay. Another example for you all. If you guys can give me the solution for this, let's see. 25 and let's just say 20. Okay guys, please tell me what is going to be the mixed fraction of this question that you see on your screen. Can you guys tell me? The question is what is the convert this 25 divided by 20 into a mixed fraction. Okay, Saksham is saying 1, 5 and 20. Exactly. I mean, that is absolutely correct. So yes, so this is how we convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. All right? Perfect. So yes, the breakdown of this, was like this only. So 30 divided by 28 can be written as one whole chocolate and 2 extra pieces divided by 28. Anmol, you are right. Rasna, you are right. Janvi, you are right. Kaushiki Singh, you are also right. Sandeep is right. Saksham is right. Yes. So yeah, that's how we do it. Okay. So this was what we did in yesterday's class in terms of covering your math fraction part, right? This was an introduction which we gave. But today we are going to be covering the multiplication and simplification aspects of it as well. So yes, please make sure that you are making your notes, okay? All right. So simplification. So just like in simplification, there is an algorithm which happens. So simplify करने का क्या तरीका है? Simplify करने का तरीका simple ये, divide the numerator and denominator by a common factor. उन दोनों का अगर कोई common factor है, you guys know how to figure out the common factors, right? Common factors आपने सीखा हुआ है. So divide the numerator and denominator by a common factor. ठीक है? And keep doing that until there are no more common factors except 1. So the only common factor that should stay is 1, and आपको numerator and denominator को divide करते रहना है by a common factor जब तक 1 नहीं आता. ठीक है? So for example, let's just take an example for a better reference. Right? So this is the question. 4 divided by 28. अब इसका common factor क्या है? Can we guess the common factor between 4 and 28? किन नंबर से हम उनको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं हम इसको? Okay, Saksham is saying 4, yes. Right. So if we divide by 4, the answer is going to come at 1 by 7. So this is known as a simplification method. अगर आपके पास आंसर आता है, आपने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करा, उसमें आंसर आ गया आपका 4 by 28, it is always preferred that you further simplify अगर हो सकता है तो. इस केस में सिंप्लीफाई हो सकता है, राइट? 4 1s are 4 and then it goes 7. So 1 by 7 से आपका simplification हो गई, right? So that's how it's done. So 4 by 22 can also be written as 2 by 14, right? And 1 by 7. These, all of these answers are correct, right? But these answers, the only difference in all these numbers is that simplification. आप आंसर अपना इस पे भी छोड़ सकते हो 4 by 28 पे, आप 2 by 14 पे भी छोड़ सकते हो, आप 1 by 7 पे भी छोड़ सकते हो, right? But it is always advised that you simplify the equation, as much as you can, right? So 1 by 7 भी ठीक है, 2 by 14 भी ठीक है, 4 by 28 भी ठीक है, but 1 by 7 पे आपको ज़्यादा नंबर मिलने के चांसेस है. This is how it is preferred. So this is known as simplification, right? These are all equivalent fractions, right? Lowest form, yes, exactly, Mr. Dividing the numerator and denominator by the largest number that can divide into both numbers. Exactly. So yes, applications of simplifications क्या हैं? If we talk about addition and subtraction, आपने LCM में भी पढ़ा हुआ है. So if this is the question, right? 4 divided by 28 plus 2 divided by 7. तो हम इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? If you were to add these two numbers up, how are we going to do it? We are going to take the LCM, right? I hope you guys are following and you guys remember that we need to take the LCM, right? तो 7 एंड 28 में हम एलसीएम लेंगे. हम 7 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें कि वो 28 बन जाए, राइट? तो 7 1 7, 7 2 14, 7 3 21, 7 4 28, right? So we are going to multiply this by 4, and we are also going to multiply this by 4, so that the denominator is same. Guys, the first part is that we need to make the denominators equal, right? And denominators को equal करने का क्या तरीका है? LCM, right? LCM. So we are going to do that. So it's going to come up 4 plus, obviously हम 4 into 2 कर रहे हैं, that is 8 divided by 28, right? So that is going to give us 12 by 28, right? अब 12 by 28 को हम further simplify कर सकते हैं, right? इसको अगर हम further simplify करें, so let's divide it by 4. Let's divide this number by 4. That is going to give us 3 by 7. So this answer that you see is the simplified answer, and this is the type of answers which your teachers are expecting. You should be writing on your papers. ठीक है? 3 by 7. This is how it is used simplification method में. First step, whenever we need to add or subtract, you guys need to make the denominators equal. ठीक है? दोनों का denominator equal होना चाहिए. In this case 28 and 7. So wait. Yes. So in this case 28 and 7. So हमने 7 को मल्टीप्लाई करा 4 से ताकि वो 28 के इक्वल हो जाए, राइट? उस ऊपर, एंड अगर हम एक जगह डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो उसके न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई होता है, राइट? एंड देन वी आर गोना एलसीएम लेकर 4 + 8 divided by 28. Okay, Kriti, somebody said, okay, Saksham saying he uses a different method. I mean, it is all fine as long as that you are getting the answer. This is the answer that you should be getting by the end of solving from whichever method you are solving. So yes, okay, so this is one of the applications, right? And the next application can come in comparing two fractions, right? If we were to compare two fractions and हमें पता करना है कि कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है, so like we can do that. We can actually do that. So how to to compare two fractions, what we need to do is simplify them to make the denominator same. The first step is always going to be to make the denominator same, right? Akshay saying cross method, exactly. And compare the numerators. So you see that these were the two numbers, right, which we are taking in this case. So we need to make the denominators same. So हम इसके अंदर क्या multiply करें कि वो 28 हो जाए? That is gonna be 4, right? So we multiplied this number. We multiplied this by 4, and we also multiplied this by 4, so that the denominators becomes 28. ठीक है? जब वो 28 हो गया, then it's gonna be 8 out of 28, and that is gonna be 4 out of 28, right? So yes, 8 out of 28 is bigger than 4 out of 28. Okay, so this is some of the applications. Let me just give you a quick example. I mean a quick question. आपने ये तो समझ लिया, right? Okay, let's make it here. Okay, fine. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you a couple of questions. Let's just say 3 by 5 है, and we need to add this 1 by 2. ठीक है? अब इसको add करो और मुझे बताओ कि आंसर क्या आ रहा है. So this is the question. The question is 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. We need to add them up and more. Okay, they are saying 11 by 20. Let's see क्या आंसर आता है. First step is to take the LCM, right? So first we'll take the LCM. The LCM is going to be 10, right? तो LCM हो जाएगा 10. ठीक है? 5 and 2 का LCM हो जाएगा 10. तो हम 5 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें कि वो बन जाए 10. We are going to multiply this by 2. We are going to multiply this by 2. Plus we are going to multiply this by 5, right? गोना मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 5. ठीक है, सो हमारी इक्वेशन क्या बन गई? दिस इज गोना कम एट 6, राइट? 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 प्लस 5 divided by 10, right? So the answer that you get is 11 by 10. This is the answer. And let's see who answered it first. Let me just go up in the chat. Let's see. Okay, Kritigya said 11 by 20 and Saksham also said 11 by 20. Okay, fine. Very good, guys, very good. Kritigya, definitely you were the first one to answer. You were the first one. And Saksham was second. So congratulations. हाँ, yes. So this is how you add them up, right? अब इसी को अगर if I were to ask you to compare these two fractions, wait, where should we make it? Let's just make it here only. Okay. So same example we are taking 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. Guys, इनको compare करना है. Which one is bigger? Anmol, the question is 3 divided by 5 and 1 divided by 2. दोनों को compare करो. Satinder, please don't spam in the chat here. People are saying 3 by 5 is bigger. Let's see. So again, in addition, subtraction, comparing, our first step is to make the denominator equal. So same step. We're gonna multiply the top equation by 2. This is gonna be 5 into 2, and उसके केस में क्या हो जाएगा? 1 will be multiplied by 5, and this will be multiplied by 2 है ना? 2 multiplied by 5. Right, so we are gonna get 6 by 10, and this one is 5 by 10. So which one is bigger? Obviously the 6 out of 10 is bigger. So yeah, that is how you compare also. Okay, so these are some of the few applications which can help you, which can help you with simplification. Simplification करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And guys, can we, हाँ बस ठीक है. Yes. So that's how we do it. So comparing two fractions, we need to make the denominators same. So guys, please take a screenshot of this and remember this in your notes. If comparing करने के कैसे करते हैं compare कैसे करते हैं आप, ये इसका screenshot ले लो, इसमें steps लिखे हुए हैं. Comparing of two fractions के लिए we need to simplify them by making the denominators same, and then we compare the numerators. ठीक है, good Vaibhav, good. All right, so that's how we do it. ठीक है, now let's talk about multiplication. How can we solve multiplication? So guys, multiplication कैसे solve होगा? Multiplication के भी क्या steps हैं? Let's see. We multiply the numerators first, then we multiply the denominators, and then we simplify the resulting fraction. Simple है, इसमें simple है. We don't have to do anything. We just have to multiply the numerators of the two fractions. We need to multiply the denominators, and multiply करने के बाद अगर वो simplify होता तो कर दो. Simple as that. Let's take an example. 1 divided by 2 into 3 by 4. ठीक है, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. How are we going to do it? We are going to multiply the numerators. 1 times 3 divided by 2 times 4. That is going to come out 3 by 8. Now guys, can we further simplify this question? Simplify this answer? Can we simplify this answer any further? Saksham, yes, exactly. We cannot do that, right? So ये already अपने simplest form में है. So अगर simplest form में है, so आपकी multiplication successful है, it's fine. Let's take, so basically multiplication का मतलब क्या होता है? कभी कभी confusion हो जाती है, right? Off का क्या मतलब होता है? Sometimes we get confused. So multiplication just means अगर आपने question में there comes a question where you have to multiply this and off लिखा हो instead of this. इंस्टेड ऑफ योर जनरल मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला साइन अगर ऑफ लिखा हुआ है, यू शुड ऑब्वियसली अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज अ साइन कि आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ठीक है, सो हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे, राइट. एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीन्स ऑफ. ठीक है, वेट, all right, so let's see. So guys, we have a full circle and we have taken out 3 pieces, right? 3 pieces out of 4 pieces, and now we are dividing it into half. 3 by 4 ka half. Multiplication simply means if we are multiplying 1 by 2 of 3 by 4, what does it mean though? It means that 3 by 4 का 1 by 2, 3 by 4 का 1 by 2. ठीक है, so इसको multiply करेंगे, so it comes out 3 by 8. So that is 1 by 2 half. I'll explain it in a better way. Wait, ये जो 3 by 4 है, इसका हाफ क्या होगा? 3 by 4 का हाफ क्या है? How do we do that? So 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 of 3 by 4 क्या है? That is the question how it's gonna come. ठीक है, 1 by 2 of 3 by 4. That's how it's gonna be asked. ठीक है, so that is 1 into 3 divided by 2 into 4. That is gonna give us 3 by 8. So guys, 3 by 4 का half is 3 by 8. ठीक है, so yes, so 3 by 8 is the answer, and this is how we use the multiplication, right? Multiplication के examples लेते हैं. Guys, please tell me, okay, let's just see if you can solve this question. Wait, five divided by 8, I mean 5 upon 8 of, let's just say 9 by 2. All right. Okay, so people are saying 45 by 16. Exactly. You guys understand, right? You guys understand. Okay, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So that's how it's done. ठीक है? Multiplication में we are going to figure it like that. Now let's talk about division. Right? Division में कैसे होता है? So division में it is going to be, you know, the opposite and ulta of multiplication. So जब हम division की बात करते हैं, डिवीजन में क्या सिस्टम है? हम एक फ्रैक्शन को उल्टा कर देंगे एंड देन वी आर गोना मल्टीप्लाई द फ्रैक्शन एंड देन वी आर गोना सिंप्लीफाई इट. सिंपल एज दैट. द क्वेश्चन इज 1 डिवाइड बाई 2, सॉरी 1 बाई 2 डिवाइड बाई 3 बाई 4. अगर डिवाइड का आपको साइन दिख गया तो आपने, आपकी इंस्टेंट क्या होनी चाहिए? आपको जो दूसरी वाली इक्वेशन है, आप इसको उल्टा करके 4 बाई 3 कर दो. जब आप इसको 4 बाई 3 लिख दोगे, इट शुड लुक लाइक दिस. 3 by 4 था, but we are gonna change the sign. Now the sign is gonna come multiply वाला, and you know, then we are gonna do 4 by 3. ठीक है? Now we are gonna multiply it, so that is gonna be 4 by 6. And if we simplify it even further, we can divide by 2, and it comes out to be 2 by 3. So that is how. So that is exactly how you solve division also, okay? So that, हाँ, exactly, Anmol, the answer should be 2 by 3 only. Yes. ठीक है? So इसमें division में ऐसा होता है. Let's just take another example. Let's just say 1 by 2 divided by 5/8. ठीक है, मुझे इसका बताओ क्या आंसर है. So this is gonna be like 1/2 into 8/5. That is gonna give us 8/10. Now this can be further simplified, which can become, इसको 2 से कर देते हैं तो 4 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 5. So the answer should be 4/5. So that is how you do it. ठीक है. कृतिज्ञा तो इज ऑन फायर टुडे. कृतिज्ञा तो सारे आंसर्स फर्स्ट दे रही है आज. क्या बात है. ओके, सो नाउ let me just remind you guys, in the previous class we gave a very huge announcement that is about the space robotics challenge. Right, this is a challenge exclusive to Debound guys. NASA में and everybody schools में भी class 11th में आप लोग there comes various challenges जिसमें SpaceX programs होते हैं, where you are eligible to go to NASA and understand कैसे everything works. So this is our exclusive Debound space robotics challenge that is gonna be starting next weekend onwards. ठीक है, on your next classes we are gonna be focusing on the space robotics challenge. अब आपको इसके अंदर क्या क्या करना है, I'll quickly explain that. Basically you will be given just like we did the Mars settlement, right? That was a very simple thing which we did. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be giving you multiple puzzles and basically difficult questions. They're going to be difficult questions and you are supposed to do it, right? And if you actually do it and if you guys come first, then obviously there are going to be various amounts of prizes that are going to be given to all the winners, right? And इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, इसके लिए you guys start making teams. ठीक है, यू गाइज नीड टू मेक सम टीम्स. आप 4 लोगों की बनाओ, आप 5 स्टूडेंट्स की बनाओ. देर इज नो लिमिटेशंस टू द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन ऐड इन योर ग्रुप. आपको अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ ग्रुप बनाना है, आप सारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ ग्रुप बनाओ, बट मेक श्योर दे आर ह्यूज टीम्स जिसकी देर इज दिस साइड एडवांटेज एंड साइड प्राइज. अगर आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं भी कर पाते हो एंड अगर आप नहीं जीतते हो, बट अगर आपकी टीम मेंबर सबसे ज़्यादा है, लाइक सपोजिटली यू हैव 20 मेंबर्स इन योर टीम एंड बाकी सब में 5 से 6 हैं, सो यू आर ऑलरेडी अ विनर. आपको साइड प्राइज एक मिल जाएगा, बट हाँ आपको इसका नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? स्पेस रोबोटिक्स चैलेंज का नहीं मिलेगा, बट हाँ आपको एक साइड प्राइज मिलेगा क्योंकि आपके सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स हैं टीम में, राइट? So yes, space robotics challenge is coming, so please stay tuned for that. Please make teams. आप अपने classes में सबको बताओ, right? अपनी teams आप बनाओ, अपने chat में आपने team बनानी है. I think Anmol is a very good student, if anybody wants to team up with him. And also Kritigya is very smart. So अगर आपने teams बनानी है, it is, the chat box is right there. Maybe you can start making your teams right now. But, मेक योर टीम्स एंड नेक्स्ट वीकेंड तक आपको अपनी टीम्स बना के रखनी है. अगर आपने टीम्स नहीं बनाई देन आपको बिल्कुल ही मज़ा नहीं आएगा नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल दैट वी आर गोना बी कवरिंग. इट इज़ Debound एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोग्राम दैट इज गोना विच वी आर गोना बी इंट्रोड्यूसिंग टू यू ऑल एंड यू गोना हैव अ वेरी नाइस टाइम. ठीक है, सो येस, आप अपनी क्लास में से, अपनी क्लासेस में से जितने बच्चे आप लेकर आ सकते हो, अपनी टीम में डालना चाहते हो आप डालो. ठीक है, उनको बताओ कि ये क्लासेस हो रही हैं सैटरडे संडे को, वी आर हैपनिंग. और अगर आपके कोई और कॉलोनी के फ्रेंड्स हैं जो आपके स्कूल में नहीं है, राइट, बट आपकी सेम एज के हैं, तो आप उनको भी लेकर आ सकते हो. डिफरेंट स्कूल से भी अगर आप लेकर आओगे तो उनके लिए भी पॉइंट्स हैं. एवरी पर्सन यू ब्रिंग दैट इज गोना मेक यू come closer to winning the thing. winning the whole thing. So make sure कि आपकी टीम में बच्चे ज़्यादा हों. Satinder is saying only one child in my class who watches Debound. It's fine. आपके क्लास में और भी तो बच्चे हैं, आप उनको तो बताओ कि this is a space program that is gonna happen next weekend. I need members and अगर हम जीते तो हमें prizes मिलेंगे. And on stream while you are competing with different schools. यहाँ पे classes में here in Debound classes, not just one particular school comes. Lots and lots of students from different schools come, right? I mean, so this is a platform where you can actually compete, where we can figure out, which team is and was the best. So guys, make sure Space Robotics Challenge next weekend onwards. Please don't forget about this. All right, make your teams till then, and yeah, it should be really fun. All right. And then we talked about why does privacy matter, right? In the last class, we talked about this. Just a second. All right. So we talked about why does privacy matter, right? हमें याद है कि हम number किसी को नहीं देते अपना phone number, right? Do you remember? But now today we are going to be talking about how security actually works on the internet. ठीक है? How does security work on the internet? So guys, we are going to be talking about hacking. यार hacking में personally मेरा भी बहुत interest है, and it is a very blessing or a surprise to see that my brother is actually a hacker. He is an ethical hacker. I'll tell you what he is. But let's talk about what is hacking, right? So hacking आपको पता है क्या होता है? अगर आप किसी का कंप्यूटर एक्सेस करो बिना उनकी परमिशन के, तो दैट इज़ गोना, एंड उनकी आप इंफॉर्मेशन को पढ़ लो, चेंज कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो विदाउट देयर परमिशन. मेरे लैपटॉप में अगर मैं घर पे नहीं और मेरा लैपटॉप खुला हुआ है एंड आप उसको लॉग इन करके आप मेरी इन्फॉर्मेशन देख रहे हो, तो दैट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज हैकिंग. ठीक है? सो टू यूज़ अ कंप्यूटर टू लुक एट एंड चेंज द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज स्टोर्ड ऑन अनदर कंप्यूटर इज नोन एज हैकिंग. ठीक है? अब क्या guys, now we need to ask this question, is hacking always bad? Do you think that hacking only refers to कि गंदे लोग करते हैं, या फिर this is something which we should not do? Do you believe with this statement or do you disagree with this statement? An individual who uses computer networking or other skills to overcome, yes, exactly. So people are saying no. Right, hacking is actually not bad. I mean, obviously people, there are some people in this world who have used hacking. आपने लोगों के information चुरा ली, आपने बैंक अकाउंट चुरा लिया, पैसे आपने चुरा लिए. But it is also used in a good way. There are two types of hackers in this world. There are, unethical hackers, and then there are ethical hackers. Unethical hackers are the ones who are not ethical. Ethical as in like मतलब वो गलत कामों में उसको use कर रहे हैं, the hacking capabilities. And an ethical hacker is ethical hackers जो होते हैं ये कंपनीज हायर करती हैं. कंपनीज एक्चुअल में आपको पता है फेसबुक, इंस्टा एंड एवरी अदर कंपनी, उनमें कितने हैकर्स होंगे? दीज हैकर्स आर हायर्ड सो दैट उनके वेबसाइट या फिर उनके जो एप्लीकेशन है उनकी सिक्योरिटी टेस्ट होती रहे. दे आर गिवन द जॉब ऑफ ट्राइंग टू हैक देयर वेबसाइट एंड ट्राई टू मेक द सिक्योरिटी मोर स्ट्रॉन्ग, सो दैट कोई भी अगर अनएथिकल हैकर आपकी साइट को आके एक्सेस करने की कोशिश कर रहा है तो वो ना कर पाए. राइट? सो एथिकल हैकिंग इन्वॉल्व्स ऑथराइज्ड अटेम्प्ट. ये आपको अथॉरिटी होती है, कंपनी गिव्स यू द अथॉरिटी कि भाई आप एक्सेस करने की कोशिश करो जरा कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को, एंड लेट्स सी इफ यू कैन फिगर इट आउट एंड इफ यू कैन रिट्रीव द डेटा. Anmol is saying sometimes we have to do hacking for defense. Yes. Right. So carrying out an ethical hack involves various steps, duplicating strategies and actions and etc. So right, so we can do that. Now, let's talk about the information that is being stored. Now, my brother, he is an ethical hacker. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but the certificate is right there. The top one, if you can see, that is a certified ethical. I think I should show it to you. But let me actually show it to you. Just a second. Oh wait. I didn't want to do that. Alright. So let me show you this. Alright. On the screen. So yeah, see. So this is the certification which you get from the certified ethical hacking key, and this is some. Oh yeah, I'll show you on full screen. Wait. Well, it's actually very, very nice here. And like my elder brother, he did it when he was in class 10th. So this is how it looks like. EC Council is the company, and that's how you get the certificate. So yes. So this is something which he was very interested in. He was always into computers and all that. So yeah. Okay, Karthik is asking something. What are you asking? For enemies we can use for hacking, for example, Pakistan. Pakistan is not our enemy, yaar. Kya ho gaya? Okay. So yes, ethical hacking, right? So that's how. So that is what ethical hacking is. So guys, अब जो information होती है, right? When we store information on our computer, it can be done in 3 ways. It can be done in 3 ways. Number 1 is plain text. Now what does that mean? Plain text means कभी आपने, I have done it too. Whenever I have so many passwords, मैंने अपने फ़ोन या फिर कंप्यूटर में नोट्स में जाके लिख दिया कि फेसबुक का पासवर्ड ये है, इंस्टा का पासवर्ड ये है, इसका पासवर्ड ये है, इसका पासवर्ड ये है. तो दैट इज़ प्लेन टेक्स्ट. It is a file which contains all of your passwords, basically, right? जो आपने खुद लिखी है. So if a hacker actually gets access to this kind of your text, plain text, उसके पास सीधा के सीधा आपके passwords आ गए, and this is the most dangerous way of storing your passwords and important information. Plain text में आपको नहीं करना चाहिए. If a hacker gains access to a system, he can see all the passwords, right? वो सारे passwords देख पाएगा. And unfortunately, many multinational companies जो हैं अभी भी they are still using and relying on this technology. What is happening in the chat? Why are people writing 170? अच्छा, all who are with me type 170. ओ भाई साहब, चलो. Okay, right. So guys, plain text, that is how it's done. ठीक है. Then comes the encryption. Now encryption क्या होती है? Encryption होती है, first of all, it is obviously better than a plain text method. So इसमें जो आपके passwords होते हैं ना, passwords आपके store होते हैं एक particular key से. Basically, how should I explain this? There is a password you need to put in first that will unlock and decrypt all the files. Basically वो आपके सामने सारी की सारी files आपके सामने present कर देगा. अगर आपने पासवर्ड नहीं डाला तो वो खुलेंगी ही नहीं फाइल्स, आप उनको एक्सेस कर ही नहीं पाओगे किसी भी वे में. आपको कोड चाहिए ही चाहिए आपको उन फाइल्स को एक्सेस करने के लिए. प्लेन टेक्स्ट में क्या प्रॉब्लम थी? आपको सीधा टेक्स्ट है, उसमें कोई पासवर्ड नहीं है, कोई इंक्रिप्शन नहीं है. इंक्रिप्शन में क्या है? आपका कोई पासवर्ड होगा, कुछ एक इंक्रिप्शन की होगी, जिससे आप अपने पासवर्ड्स को आप अपने पासवर्ड को एक्सेस करोगे. So it is obviously better than the plain text method. All the passwords are deciphered and stored in a particular encryption key. Okay, and underneath the encryption layer there is a plain text. So if the attacker seals the encryption key, he can unlock all the passwords. ठीक है. अगर आपकी encryption layer के अंदर there is a plain text, तो आपकी इंक्रिप्शन एक्सेस हो सकती है. That's what I'm saying. And last but not the least, there is the last method. It is known as hashing. हैकिंग में ये 3 चीज़ें यूज़ होती है गाइज. आई होप दैट यू गाइज आर फॉलोइंग. यू कैन कीप मेकिंग योर टीम्स साइड बाय साइड, बट ऑल्सो फोकस ऑन वॉट्स बीइंग टॉट हियर. हैशिंग. हैशिंग इज द बेस्ट मेथड. बहुत सारी कंपनीज, एवरीबडी इज यूजिंग दिस. सो वॉट इट डज इज, आपकी फाइल लेता है, वो जो आपका जो भी पासवर्ड है, इट कन्वर्ट्स इट इनटू अ नंबर. कोई भी डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स नंबर, कोई भी रैंडम नंबर्स असाइन कर देगा. लेट्स जस्ट से आपका पासवर्ड है हेलो वर्ल्ड, ठीक है. लेट्स जस्ट से योर पासवर्ड इज हेलो वर्ल्ड. तो वो हेलो वर्ल्ड को क्या करेगा, हैशिंग, वो ना एक अलग ही कोड बना देगा, 589854 कुछ भी ऐसे करके रैंडम नंबर्स एंड डिजिट्स का एक कोड बना देगा, जिससे हैकर्स उसको समझ ही ना पाए कि वो है क्या. राइट. सो दिस मेथड इज नोन एज हैशिंग. सो लेट्स जस्ट टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. सो इस एग्जाम्पल में वी कैन सी दैट यू नो, लेट्स जस्ट से कि इनपुट हमारा फॉक्स है. फॉक्स इज आवर यू नो द पासवर्ड. सो हैश फंक्शन क्या करेगा, हैश फंक्शन उसको कन्वर्ट कर देगा. देखो क्या रैंडम नंबर कोई जनरेट हो गया, राइट. ये DFCD3454, वी डोंट नो व्हाट दैट मीन्स, बट इसका मतलब फॉक्स है. सो यू नो, अगर हैकर्स आपका एक्सेस करने की कोशिश भी करें इन्फॉर्मेशन को, दे विल नेवर अंडरस्टैंड कि एक सेट ऑफ डेटा, अगर वो ऐसे नंबर्स देखेगा तो उसको मतलब ही समझ नहीं आएगा क्या है उनका, राइट. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, सपोजिटली आपका वो है द रेड फॉक्स रन्स अक्रॉस द आइस. इतना बड़ा सेंटेंस है, उस बड़े सेंटेंस को भी उसने कितने छोटे एंड इनक्रिप्ट फॉर्म में कर दिया. देखो 52ED8792, वी डोंट नो व्हाट दैट इज, राइट. सो दैट इज हाउ दिस हैश फंक्शन वर्क्स. आपकी यू नो पासवर्ड को वो किसी और ही फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर देगा, ताकि हैकर्स को पता ना चले कि आप कैसे यूज़ करो, हैकर्स को पता ना चले क्या है. सो 3 मेथड्स वी टॉक्ड अबाउट. प्लेन टेक्स्ट. प्लेन टेक्स्ट टॉक्स अबाउट बाइनरी कोड. येस, हो सकता है, यू नो, देर आर नंबर्स पर एंड इसमें डिजिट्स भी होते हैं. सो येस, प्लेन टेक्स्ट इज द मोस्ट डेंजरस वन. आपकी फाइल में सारे के सारे पासवर्ड्स हैं. अगर हैकर ने एक्सेस कर लिया, सारे के सारे पासवर्ड्स आपके उसके पास आ जाएंगे. अभी भी बहुत सारी कंपनीज प्लेन टेक्स्ट पे रिलाई कर रही है, बट स्टिल आई मीन दिस इज नॉट अ रिलायबल मेथड. सेकेंड मेथड इज इंक्रिप्शन. इट इज़ ऑब्वियसली बेटर देन द प्लेन टेक्स्ट मेथड. इसमें क्या होता है, आपका जो पासवर्ड होता है, आपका पासवर्ड एक फर्दर सिक्योरिटी से प्रोटेक्टेड होता है. जब तक आप वो इंक्रिप्शन की नहीं डालोगे, तब तक आपका पासवर्ड आपको नहीं दिखेगा, तब तक आपकी फाइल्स आपको नहीं दिखेगी एंड हैकर्स उसको एक्सेस नहीं कर पाएंगे. बेसिकली इट इज़ अ की विच यू नीड टू पुट इन टू ओपन द डोर, एंड वंस यू ओपन द डोर यू सी ऑल द यू नो files. So that is encryption. Third method is called hashing. Hashing is one of the best methods till now, right? वो करता क्या है, आपका जो फाइल है, it will take the file, उसको कन्वर्ट कर देगा वो कोई भी रैंडम नंबर्स में. हमारा इनपुट फॉक्स है, दैट इज आवर पासवर्ड. उसने उसको देखो कन्वर्ट कितने बड़े नंबर में कर दिया, DFCD3454. इट इज गोना कन्वर्ट इनटू वेरियस डिफरेंट नंबर्स एंड डिजिट्स, so that it is very difficult for the hacker to track what information is relevant and what information is not relevant. Fine? Perfect. So okay, so now let's talk about wait, just give me a second. Okay, yeah, let's talk about crypto. So guys, crypto में कैसे, how is it used? You guys know what cryptocurrency is, right? Just like investing in stock markets, this is something which has been coming up, right? Cryptos, NFTs, metaverse, these are all the characteristics and features of Web 3.0. ठीक है? Janvi Singh, Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin. There are multiple coins. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum. You know, बहुत सारे. Dash. There are lots and lots of coins which we can invest in and we can buy. So, cryptocurrency, is the next big thing. Thanks to Elon Musk, obviously, Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency is nothing but a digital currency that is designed to work as a medium of exchange through a computer network and not any government. बेसिकली आपके कंप्यूटर्स के थ्रू आप यू कैन एक्सेस देम एंड एक्सचेंज, राइट। एंड ये डिजिटल करेंसी है, जस्ट लाइक पेटीएम वॉलेट होता है वैसे ही डिजिटल करेंसी है, विच इज़ बीइंग एक्सेस्ड एंड यूज्ड बाय वेरियस अदर कंपनीज, ठीक है। सो इसमें हैशिंग एंड ये सारे मेथड्स कैसे होता है, सो लाइक व्हाट हैपेंस, ब्लॉकचेन्स क्रिप्टो करेंसी में भी ब्लॉकचेन्स मेथड यूज होता है। So what is the blockchain method? Blockchain is the chain of blocks. You can see there are lots and lots of blocks which are interconnected, right? So basically this is the most secure system ever. So what happens is कि each block जो होता है आपके उसमें contain होता है, एक एक block के अंदर data होगा, ठीक है। फिर होगा hash of the block. Hash of the block means आपकी information, आपकी जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है, जो फाइल है, जो पासवर्ड था फॉक्स हमारा पिछले उसमें, उस पर फॉक्स लिखा होगा, पर उसमें फॉक्स ऐसे नहीं लिखा होगा, उसमें लिखा होगा DCVD3494 डिफरेंट नंबर्स में, and then it will also contain hash of the previous block. This is like a little too complicated, you don't have to go too deep into it, but yes, that is exactly how it is done, ठीक है। So yes, any change in the data of the block results in changing of its hash, right? So that is what happens. So basically सारे ये वाली जो information होती है, these block of chains, I mean blockchain which is used in cryptocurrency, this information is more secure. Why? Because this is not stored on companies' computers, this is stored on users' computers. ये सारे हमारे उसमें स्टोर्ड हैं, राइट। सो दैट इज़ हाउ इट इज़ बीइंग यूज्ड। सो ये दैट्स व्हाट वी से, नेवर अलाउ गाइज, दिस इज प्लीज टेक नोट ऑफ दिस, यू शुड नेवर एक्चुअली अलाउ टू सेव पासवर्ड, क्योंकि दीज पासवर्ड आर एक्चुअली वनरेबल, राइट। हु वांट्स टू ज्वाइन विजेता, यहाँ पे तो नंबर से वो चल रही है। आवर न्यू टीम नेम इज द फायरीज और द हम्बल गाइज। चलो दैट इज़ वेरी गुड। सो व्हाट वी आर गोना बी डूइंग इज, आपको ना एक फॉर्म शीट बना के दे देंगे, आप उसमें अपने सारे जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं उनके नाम आप लिख के हमें भेज देना। अपनी क्लासेस में भी गाइज प्लीज डिस्कस अबाउट दिस, ओके। अच्छा ओके, कैमरा मूव करूँ मैं, वेट, आई विल डू दैट। So never you should never allow any browser to save your passwords, and these passwords are actually vulnerable. So if someone has your password, he or she can access your computer. So never कभी भी आपने Google Chrome यूज़ करा है तो आपने देखा होगा कि यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आता है सेव पासवर्ड का, नहीं, पॉपअप आता है। इस वाले पॉपअप पे कभी भी सेव नहीं करना, बिकॉज इट्स गोना क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू ऑल, वो दिस इज नॉट सेफ। So yes, so that is exactly how this works. Alright, come. And in my mind, all right. So yes guys, that we covered a lot today. We did cover a lot. That was, yes, we'll talk about goodies right now, don't worry about it. Just give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Till then, listen to this amazing song. I'll be right back. ऑल राइट। हाँ जी, सो गाइस टीम्स का क्या चल रहा है? किन किन की टीम्स अभी बन गई है मुझे बताओ। किन्हीं की कोई टीम्स बनी है? आई सॉ कृतिज्ञा ट्राइंग टू मेक अ टीम. Kritika, is your team ready? How many members are there in your team? Contact me. I'll add everyone in the group. Sir, goodies, huh? We will talk about it. Me. Okay. All right. I hope you guys contact each other. ठीक है, अपने टच में रहना. Keep contacting yourself. And remember that this is a very important and it's going to be very fun for you all. अगर आपने अभी ग्रुप्स नहीं बनाए ना तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, आपको नेक्स्ट वीक मज़ा ही नहीं आएगा, राइट? सो यू नीड टू मेक द ग्रुप्स. अभी बना लोगे, इट्स गोना बी बेटर, क्योंकि सिर्फ आपने ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं. इन्फॉर्मेशन तो आपको सैटरडे को ही मिलेगी. करना क्या है? ओके. जो कृतिज्ञा की टीम में है, जस्ट टाइप 10 in the chat. Okay, just type 10 in the chat. I will understand. Just type 10 in the chat. And कोई और किसी का ग्रुप अगर आ रहा है, then type some other number. Maybe type 5. Okay, Saksham is in her group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't repeat, guys. 13. Manna, don't repeat, please. Okay, I see 13, 14. Okay. सो कृतिज्ञा की टीम में अभी तक 13-14 बच्चे हैं, सो दैट इज़ वेरी गुड. दूसरे ग्रुप्स में अगर कोई और है, इज देयर एनीबडी एल्स हु हैज ट्राइड टू मेक अ ग्रुप टिल नाउ? और कौन है जो ग्रुप बना रहा है? सर कृतिज्ञा इज बॉय. हाँ, तो मैंने कब बोला गर्ल है? बट ओके, थैंक्स फॉर द रेफरेंस. राइट 7 इफ यू वांट टू कम. ओके गाइज, ऑल राइट. सो अभी ये बताओ कौन कौन बच्चे टीम में है ही नहीं, क्योंकि इसने तो आई थिंक 13 बच्चे ले लिए, राइट? सो दैट इज अ लॉट. सच अ गुड नंबर. यस, आई मीन इट इज वेरी गुड. 13 students are very nice. Acha, oh, I'm so sorry if I mentioned you. Sorry. I'm so sorry, man. My bad. Chalo, that's nice. Yeah, Kritika, you have a lot of students in your team. That is very nice. That is really good. So yes, if there is anybody else जिनकी कोई टीम नहीं बनी है, आई वुड सजेस्ट कीप मेकिंग योर टीम्स यार. यू हैव लॉट ऑफ टाइम. स्कूल में यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट योर फ्रेंड्स एंड आस्क देम. इट्स ईजी. सर गुडीज. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग. ऑल राइट. सो फ्रॉम द पास्ट 10 sections, right? Let me just. Alright, let me just play some red carpet music, and now let me just announce some winners, okay? So guys, from the past 10-11 sections, classes, right? I mean, we had so much fun, right? We picked out various winners from all these lectures, and we are going to be announcing a few of them. So make sure that we we are going to be contacting your parents, and we're going to contacting you after this class is over. So don't worry about that, and then we're going to be asking for your contact information. All right, fine. So let's just announce with the first winner who has been very participative in the classes, right? This particular person, I really like this guy, and he's none other than Anmol, congratulations. I mean, you are definitely getting some goodies in terms of prizes, right? We are going to be giving you some Debound t-shirts. All right, we're going to be contacting you very soon for asking your size and all. Okay, so Anmol, congratulations to you, man. Kudos to you and everybody. If everybody can say congratulations to Anmol, we are going to be announcing few more winners as well. But yes, please please, congratulate Anmol on winning the first one. So congratulations, yaar. All right. Wait, I need to change the song, man. I don't want to listen to this. Okay, so everybody's saying congratulations, yaar. We are going to be sending you some Debound t-shirts, all right? So yes, congratulations. Anmol, we are going to be contacting you very shortly, man, after the stream is over, okay? All right. Next one. Can anybody guess? I mean, I don't know if she is here or not right now, but this one I would like to give the next award, the next goodie, to a student who is very active, in responding. And yes, I would like to give the next goodie to Lavanya, congratulations. You have earned yourself a free Debound t-shirt. So we are going to be contacting you very soon. And yes, that's about it. Yes, Lavanya, you are here, I know. So congratulations to you. We are going to be sending you some Debound t-shirts coming right your way. Okay, so congratulations. Don't worry, Rashna, we have lots and lots of t-shirts to give away. So don't worry about it. So congratulations to Lavanya. And yes, I hope you enjoy your Debound t-shirts. Yeah, we are going to be sending so many t-shirts to all the students, and I would love to see see your pictures in Debound t-shirts. I want to see the Debound army, right? Let's go. Okay, so the next one, let's talk about another student who is very active in the classes, and he has also given various examples, and कल से उसका एक example चलता हुआ आ रहा है, वो है chat box का. Now if anybody can guess, I just gave you a very big hint, right? वो कल भी chat box में था, वो आज भी chat box में है, and वो गुडी कल भी जीत गया था, वो आज भी यहाँ पर है, right? So Kritigya, congratulations, man. The next award and next goodie goes to you. Right, we are going to be sending you the Debound t-shirt. Congratulations, Kritigya. You have won. Alright. You have won another Debound t-shirt. So let me just keep writing the names. Kritigya. Right. Then we have Lavanya. Then we have Anmol. Right, so these are the three which we have given till now. So congratulations to Kritigya. Congratulations, man. Again, we'll be contacting you very soon. All right. Next one, I would love to give this to some gamers as well, because I am a gamer and I really wish that we could play some games abhi, but we cannot. But yes, I would like to give so when will you announce the mass settlements? We are giving the prices for all of them, like goodie के साथ आपको उसके साथ we will keep adding the stuff. Okay, this is like the total clearing it out thing. So Kritigya, congratulations, yaar. The next one I would like to give to Rachna Singhal, जिसका नाम वैभव है, आई नो, बट जानबूझ के मैंने बोला है. सो वैभव, congratulations यार, congratulations, you have won. You have been very participant in the classes, right? And it is very interesting, and I'm very glad to see that students are actually taking part in the classes, right? So congratulations to Vaibhav, everybody in the chat. Please spam some thumbs up, some thumbs up, some claps, and congratulate everyone. Sir, you remember my name? I'm happy. I mean, I knew your name, man. I didn't know your name. So yes, congratulations to you. Kudos to you. We are going to be contacting you very soon, okay? After the stream is over, so don't worry about that. Okay. Let me just write it down. Okay, fine. Okay, so next one, we just have 3 more to give. Okay, we have 3 more t-shirts to give away. So yes, let's just see who wins. All right, Tanupriya, I don't remember if I have seen you in the in the chat a lot, but anyways, so yes, 3 more to give away, and the first one will go to Satyender, because Satyender is a person who has recently become very active. And Satyender, congratulations to you, man. You have won. we're gonna be sending you a goodie, all right in your home. And yes, congratulations to you. The next one goes to Mr. Great Plays. I don't remember your name, but I see your name every time in the chat. So congratulations to you. You have won as well. All right. So please tell me your name as well first. Okay, I'm Mohak. Okay, Mohak and Satyender, right? All right. So we are gonna be giving away. Did I just say one? Is only one left? Let's just say 2 more are left. Okay, so the next one I would like to give to guys. Who wants it, man? Just tell me. I don't know at this point. I'm just randomly looking at the chat now. Who wants it? Who actually wants it, and who's gonna wear it every day? All right, Nalin Gaming. Just because I like your name, and just because you are a gamer, and I also have a very close relation to this name, Nalin. So congratulations to you, man. You have won. I'm sending you a goodie right at your doorstep. Congratulations to you. Okay. So congratulations to Nalin, and congratulations to RN OP है तो भाई बिल्कुल बनता है, right? RN OP is gonna get one. Congratulations to RN as well. RN, congratulations, man. I'm gonna be sending you a goodie right at your doorstep after the stream is over. We are gonna be contacting you. One last, guys. We have one last t-shirt to give away, and I actually feel so bad. I wish I could pick all of you. I really want to give this goodie to all of you, but I really can't. You do understand that, right? You do understand. So I know Universal Aksh is also very present in the class. I also see Sandeep. Sandeep is also there. I know. There are a lot of names. Mannat is also there. There are lots and lots of students, but I am actually picking only those students जिनको मैंने देखा है streams. I mean, that is fair, right? Because Tiger Gaming, I don't remember if I've seen him a lot. Same goes for Vikrant. But yes, I have seen. How will you know our sizes? We are going to be contact you, na Satyender. We'll contact you for your home address, and then you can tell us the size, okay? So there is I really wish, man, I could give it to everyone, but I can't. But don't worry about it. There is a space settlement program that is going to be happening right next week. Next week it is going to happen, so don't worry about that. We are going to be giving away more prizes. But all right, Aksh, I got you, man. Universal Aksh, there you go. It's yours. Saksham, you can have one as well. And who wanted it? Wait, I Sandeep, I got you. You will get one as well. All right. So I was supposed to give one away, but I'm giving away 3 now. I am giving away 3 more. So the names which I said are Saksham, Sandeep, and और क्या बोला था मैंने, और कौन सा नाम बोला था guys? Please tell me, I don't remember. I remember Saksham and Aksh. Okay. You know what? I am a very fair person. Mannat, you got it as well, yeah. Okay, I'll send one to Mannat as well. Okay. Fine. So this is it. I am so sorry if I couldn't take your name, but guys, there are going to be lots of more competition that is going to come up. So let me just announce the winners. All right. So the first one goes to Kritigya. I mean, no, this is not a ranking, but yes, we are giving away Debound t-shirts to all of these students. All right. These students have been very participative. Kanchan, you got it. Kanchan को भी दे दो भाई एक, चलो. Because I know I've seen Kanchan a lot in the stream. Okay, I'll give one last to Kanchan given. Done. No more. Okay. So guys, let me announce the winners. The winners are Kritigya. Right? We are going to be contacting you, man, with asking your size. So stay tuned. All right. And आपके घर पे deliver हो जाएगा. Kritigya, Lavanya is the second one. Anmol is the third one. रचना की आईडी से आने वाला वैभव is the next one. Then we have Mohak. Then we have Satinder. Then we have Nalin Gaming. Then we have Aryan OP बोलते हैं, right? Then we have Saksham. Then we have Sandeep. Then we have Aksh. Then we have Mannat. And then we have Kanchan. All right. So these are the winners for the giveaway, guys. I hope you guys enjoy your Debound t-shirts, and if you do, man, do let us know. I hope to see your pictures in your t-shirts, and if you guys can send it us, we are gonna show it on the stream as well. All right. So and to the rest of the students, to all those who couldn't win, I only picked the names जिनको मैंने देखा है stream में बहुत frequently. So I think it's fair, And don't worry about it. अगर आप नहीं भी जीते हो, कंचन का नाम गर्वित है. Okay, I wanted to know that. Okay. So there are gonna be more and more giveaways coming up in the future. So don't worry about it. If they are getting the first one, there is a highly chance that you might get the next one, right? So right now, focus on your space settlement wala project that is gonna come up, the challenge, right? So make sure you are focusing on that, and after that is done, next week we are gonna be having that challenge, and through that challenge we are gonna be picking out a winner. Top 3, we're gonna picking out 3 winners, and if you win in that, that'll be amazing. That'll be amazing. So you are a very good teacher. Thanks a lot, Nalin. अब तो Nalin जीत भी गया है कुछ तो. I mean, तारीफ तो बनती है. I appreciate the gas. सर, सभी को एजुकेशन का प्राइस तो मिला है ना, और मिलता रहेगा. Sir, I told everyone in my family, I'm so happy my mother is saying that you are famous because of my ID. Yes, that is true. क्योंकि मुझे वैभव का नाम याद नहीं आया. I see Rachna ma'am. I mean, obviously she's your mother, right? So I know Rachna and Vaibhav. I mean, I can relate to it. No, sir, I always appreciate you. Chalo, thanks a lot, yeah, Nanil. Thanks a lot. I hope you guys, enjoy the t-shirts, and in the later sessions, we are going to be playing some games. We're going to be bringing up some Call of Duty, Vanguard. We're going to be bringing up something very fun for you all. But we need to study as well, right? Before we actually say goodbye, let's do a quick revision of what we did and what we studied, all right? And then we're gonna come next week where we're gonna be having the challenge and where you are gonna be participating, and we're gonna be picking up top 3 winners who are gonna win goodies. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Okay. So yes, let's all right, there you go. So yes, so let's talk about mixed fractions, right? Improper fraction को proper fraction में convert करना आता है हमें, right? कैसे convert करते हैं? One particular whole, and then there is the part जो हमें extra चाहिए, and that is how we are going to do it into a mixed fraction, right? So this is how it should look like. This is how mixed fraction looks like. ठीक है? Then how can we क्या कहते हैं, compare it? It's going to look like this. Right? Okay. So in today's class we talked about simplification. So what is simplification? Simplification is something, इनके steps हैं, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को डिवाइड करते रहो कॉमन फैक्टर से जब तक वन फैक्टर नहीं आता. आई मीन लाइक द ओनली कॉमन फैक्टर शुड बी 1. जब तक वो नहीं रहता तब तक सिंप्लीफिकेशन होती रहेगी. इन दिस केस 4 डिवाइड बाई 28 को हम डिवाइड करेंगे 4 से. डिवाइड करने के बाद आंसर आ जाएगा 1/7, राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज़ डन. After that, let's talk about 4/28 is equal to 2/14 is also equal to 1/7, right? These are all the simplification that is being done. आप 4/28 पे भी आंसर छोड़ सकते हो, आप 2/14 पे भी छोड़ सकते हो, आप 1/7 पे भी छोड़ सकते हो. पर अगर आप simplify करोगे, that is always going to be beneficial, okay? That is always recommended. So simplification, go for that, okay? That's how we do it. Now let's talk about applications. When it comes down to applications, it is used in additions and addition and subtractions, right? You guys know addition and subtraction में it really helps a lot. So here's the picture, right? 4 divided by 28 plus 2/7. हम इसको कैसे करेंगे add? We need to make the LCM, right? First we need to make the denominators same. तो इसमें हम 7 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 28 हो जाएगा. So that is 4, right? So हम उसको करेंगे. Then we are going to come up with the answer. The answer comes up 12/28. Then we are going to divide 12/28 by 4 to simplify it even further, and that's how simplification is done. The third one is comparing. To compare two fractions, we need to simplify and make the denominators same, obviously, and then we need to compare the numerators. 4/28, 2/7, इन दोनों को हमें कंपेयर करना है. तो कैसे करेंगे? पहले डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाएंगे. सेम कैसे बनाएंगे? इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके. मल्टीप्लाई करा बाय 4, 28 हो गया. ऑब्वियसली 8 इज बिगर, सो यहाँ पे 8 इज बिगर दैन 4/28. परफेक्ट. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कंपेयर. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट मल्टीप्लिकेशन. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हमने क्या बात करी थी? मल्टीप्लिकेशन का क्या स्टेप्स हैं? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में वी मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर्स, वी मल्टीप्लाई द डिनोमिनेटर्स एंड उसको सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं. फिर उसके बाद सिंपल एज दैट. सिंपल है. न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करो, डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करो एंड सिंप्लीफाई कर दो. सिंपल. ठीक है. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, how are we going to do it? We are going to multiply it, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. That is going to come up 3 by 8, and this is already in the simplest form. Yes. मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ, अब यहाँ पे ऑफ का साइन यूज होता है, तो ऑफ का क्या मतलब है? 3 by 4 का 1 by 2 हमें निकालना है, ठीक है? 3 by 4 का 1 by 2 निकालना है, बिकॉज इट सेज 1 by 2 ऑफ 3 by 4. सो हाउ डू वी डू दैट? हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, राइट? सो दैट द आंसर दैट कम्स अप इज 3 by 8. सो दिस इज 3 by 8, ठीक है? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट डिवीजन. डिवीजन में क्या होता है? डिवीजन में हम जो साइन होता है वो भी चेंज कर देते हैं एंड उनको रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं, उनको चेंज कर देते हैं. सो व्हाट वी डू इज वी मेक वन फ्रैक्शन उल्टा एंड वी मल्टीप्लाई द फ्रैक्शन एंड सिंप्लीफाई द रिजल्टिंग फ्रैक्शंस. 1 by 2 डिवाइड बाय 3 by 4, दैट इज गोना बी 1 by 2 इंटू 4 by 3. यू सी, पहले 3 by 4 था, 4 by 3 हो गया, चेंज हो गया. इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 4 by 6 आ गया, 4 by 6 को हम सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे. कैसे करेंगे? डिवाइड बाय 2 करेंगे, 2 से डिवाइड करा, 2 by 3 आ गया. Simple. Then we talked about the announcement, Space Robotics Challenge, right? Robotics Challenge के बारे में guys, please remember this challenge is coming your way next weekend. Till then, make your teams, all right? It is very important. Make huge teams. We talked about privacy. Privacy important क्यों है? Hackers के बारे में we talked about, कोई भी information को अगर आप access करो, विदाउट दूसरे पर्सन की अथॉरिटी से, दैट इज नोन एज हैकिंग. उसको इन्फॉर्मेशन को चेंज करो, ऑल्टर करो, दैट इज हैकिंग. एथिकल हैकर इज जो कंपनीज हायर करती हैं अनऑथराइज्ड एक्सेस ट्राई कराती है वो, सो दैट देयर सिक्योरिटी बिकम्स मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर. 3 ways टू डू दैट: प्लेन टेक्स्ट, इंक्रिप्शन एंड हैशिंग. प्लेन टेक्स्ट मोस्ट डेंजरस. इसमें आपके सारे की फाइल्स हैं, उसमें आपका आंसर्स लिखे हुए हैं, सारे के सारे पासवर्ड्स हैं. वो पासवर्ड अगर किसी के हाथ में लग गई तो इट्स गोना क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. देन कम्स इंक्रिप्शन. इंक्रिप्शन में देयर इज अ की, इंक्रिप्शन की होता है. सो अनटिल अनलेस यू एक्सेस द इंक्रिप्शन की, आपका वो जो फाइल्स हैं वो खुलेंगी ही नहीं, वो आप एक्सेस ही नहीं कर पाओगे जब तक आप वो की नहीं डालोगे. तो उससे आपकी देयर इज वन एडेड लेयर ऑफ सिक्योरिटी इन दिस. देन इज हैशिंग. हैशिंग बिल्कुल बेस्ट मेथड है. एवरीबडी इज यूजिंग हैशिंग दीज डेज. हैशिंग क्या करता है? आपका जो भी पासवर्ड है, जो भी फाइल है, उसको कोई अलग ही सिंटैक्स दे देगा, कोई अलग ही नाम दे देगा एंड उसको स्टोर कर लेगा ताकि हैकर्स को पता ही नहीं चले कि क्या है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स जस्ट से हमारा पासवर्ड फॉक्स है, तो फॉक्स को हैश फंक्शन कन्वर्ट करेगा DFCD3454 में. आई मीन व्हाट आर दीज नंबर्स? वी डोंट नो. तीन डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस के तीन डिफरेंट आंसर्स है, राइट? सो इन आंसर्स का फायदा क्या है? आई मीन इससे हैकर को पता नहीं चलेगा. सो दिस इज द हैशिंग मेथड. देन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट क्रिप्टोकरेंसी. क्रिप्टोकरेंसी, हाउ ब्लॉकचेन इज बीइंग यूज्ड. Blockchains is just chains and blocks. You can see these are blocks of chain. These are connected by a chain. This is known as blockchain. It is the most secure system. हर ब्लॉक के अंदर there is data, ठीक है? There is your files and there is previous files. कोई भी changes अगर इसमें होगा तो इसके hash में change होगा. You don't have to get into this, but this is how it's done. The whole information of blockchain is stored in other people's computers. Companies के databases में नहीं होती, ठीक है? So that's why we say never allow your browser to save your passwords. It is not at all safe. कभी भी आपके pop-up पैसा आए, never go for it. Never ever go for it. All right? So yes. Man, मैं थक गया. But yes, so yes, that is how that's all that we did for today. Okay, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this week's classes. For the very last time, I'm going to be announcing the winners. The winners for the goodies are Kritigya, Lavanya, Anmol, Vaibhav, Mohak, Satinder, Nalin, Aryan, Saksham, Sandeep, Aksh, Mannat and Garvit. Okay, so yes, I hope you guys are making your notes. I hope you guys are studying well. please focus on your studies. It is very important. We have covered your nutrition in plants, nutrition in animals. We are covering your math syllabus also, integers. Now fractions and decimals भी आपका next class में खत्म हो जाएगा, right? And what do we have in the next class, guys? What do we have in the next class? We have the space settlement wala program. I hope you guys come for that. Make your teams, have some fun, win some goodies, and yeah, let's just have some fun at the end of the day. Achha, your name is Akash. All right. ठीक है. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's session of your Debound classes. We are going to be seeing you on Saturday at 4 to 6 p.m. Till then, I would suggest make your teams, make your notes, stay happy, stay blessed. Congratulations to all the winners who have won. I hope you guys tell your parents, tell your friends about it. We will send you the goodies. We are contacting you very soon after this class is over. For the details, right? And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this class, and if you did, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Make your teams, and we are coming on Saturday at 4 p.m. with the Space Robotics Challenge. Till then, have fun, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. We are contacting you right after the stream gets over. Alright? So, thanks for joining, guys. Please remember fractions and decimals, right? Inke notes aap bana lena. We'll see you on Saturday. Have a good day. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Who will take me in his team? Yes, if you guys want to make the teams, you can make the teams right here, right in the chat while the stream is over. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's session. We'll see you in the next one.